Last week I explained how minimalism can save you time and money in your life, and you can check that video up here. And this week I'm going to tell you the secrets of how to introduce minimalism to your life so you can save that time and money. One of the mavericks of the minimalism movement is Marie Kondo, a Japanese author. Kondo wrote The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, and it's inspired many people to get organized and find joy in their life. And today I'm going to share a bunch of the secret methods that she explains in her books to help you understand how you can bring organization and joy into your life as well, thus bringing you time and money. First, you're going to pick a category, not a room, but a category, and you should really start with clothing. The next step is to get all pieces of clothing in one place and then pick up each piece one by one and think about it. Does it bring you joy or not? And if not, get rid of it. And when I say does it bring you joy, I mean sincere joy, as much as you would get if you were holding this puppy. And if it doesn't bring you joy, if you feel guilt, sadness, or worse, indifference, then get it out of your house, please. And you can throw it out, which is what she recommends, or of course you can always donate items. And if you're gonna donate them, make sure that you actually get it done. Set a time, set a date, figure out how you're going to get it out of your house, and do it. Don't let it sit around so you can just pick it back and stick it back on your shelves. And as you're going category by category, you can even break it down into subcategories. So you could go starting with shirts, and then you could do like pants, then socks, then underwear, all those different kinds of things, and that'll help you get through the process. And if you're overwhelmed by the sheer amount of stuff, then good. You know that you're on the right track because you're taking action to get rid of this crap out of your life, and you're gonna feel so much better after you finish the process. So after clothes, move on to books, and you can go fiction, non-fiction, kind of whatever works for you, and things like video games or other collections. Then you want to go to papers. Sort through all those old bills, receipts, those things that you don't need. Get rid of those, unless it's very important, something like a lease or a warranty, different things like that. Hold on to those, but that's it. Then hit your miscellaneous items like makeup or toiletries or kitchen pantry stuff. Start sorting through all that and then break that down into items again and get rid of stuff you don't need or that's expired, etc. And lastly, once you're a pro, then hit up the sentimental items like photos or jewelry or Christmas ornaments, different things like that you don't necessarily find value in anymore and you can totally get rid of. And honestly, it's the memories that matter, not the items that are in it. And if you're stuck getting rid of those items, take a photo digitally, upload it onto your Google Drive or the cloud somewhere, and then you can always just refer to those items again without them taking up space in your life. The last step of this whole process is making sure that everything has a space, because once you have that item in that space, once other things start infiltrating that space, you know that you're starting to accumulate too much junk again, and you need to start getting rid of older stuff or quit taking in new stuff. And this should help you stay organized, hopefully well into the future. And if you'd like more help, let's have a free 30-minute session because I'd love to help you figure out how you can bring more joy into your life and get organized. Trust me, it feels so great. I also created a tip sheet to help kick your butt into action and give you some inspiration with some nice minimalisty photos. And that and the link to a free 30-minute session can be found below. And if you like this video, or this puppy of course, then give the video a like. And if this video could help someone you know, then share it as well. And of course, if you want to keep up to date with my new content, then subscribe and hit the little bell. And with that, I'll see you next week. Bye!